Android TV is an operating system for televisions that Google launched in 2014. It is a platform that can work in a connected way with smartphones, tablets, or smartwatches. To take advantage of your player, no matter what device or TV you have, the applications will be the same and will help you be more informed and entertained. Android TV is a platform that uses a different version of Android adapted for televisions, and that means that applications also have to be adapted. Therefore, it is possible that when you search for applications on Google Play, many applications available for your cell phone will appear, but do not have the TV version. AirScreen. It is a perfect application to send all kinds of multimedia content from your cell phone or computer to the TV, since it supports a wide variety of wireless transmission protocols. In addition, it is compatible with different operating systems and has support for different applications. SetPlay. With this application, you can synchronize your cell phone with your Android TV, turning the phone screen into a mouse. In addition, it allows the transmission of local files, such as photos and videos, from the smartphone to the TV screen. Haystack. It is made for those who want to be always informed and be able to watch the news related to multiple topics, from technology and science to politics or movie trailers. Get the news from reliable sources and present them in an interface designed for the TV. VLC Media Player. It is completely free and allows you to play files stored on hard drives, devices or network transmission protocols. It supports most existing multimedia formats. It allows reading subtitle files that have been added with the same name as the multimedia file.